morning, fog. Today we're in a town called Ilha in Florianópolis, Brazil. We're taking a boat out, so you know this is more than just the average we go to the beach type of day, which we've been doing for the past couple videos. Pally's parents are meeting us in the marina, so we're going to be taking the boat out with them and hopefully just enjoying an overall awesome day. So we made it into the marina. Basically the boat's already ready. It's 9 a.m. right now. We're just gonna board and get after it. This is Guillermo behind me. He will be the captain of the boat. He said he speaks a little bit of Spanish. I don't know if he speaks any English. Yeah, he speaks English. There we go. We made it to our first stop, which is called Ilha do Francés, and just a little background on this little island here. It used to be called San Francisco, but the Brazilian government gave it as a gift to a French citizen, and ironically enough, now it actually belongs to Argentinian citizen who owns like a telecommunications services company. So I imagine if you want this island, you just have to have a little bit of money. But absolutely stunning here. Not too many people, only 10 a.m. Yeah, early bird gets the worm. I've seen most people have came here on their jet skis or just in smaller boats like ours, so it isn't very crowded. It's calm, there's not a lot of waves. Water is a beautiful color. Is it gold?
No, it's beautiful. Ah, está re linda.
Yeah?
Sí.
Thank you, sir. Everybody else was jumping into the water, but Guillermo knew that I just needed to have the luxury of walking off with my camera and not even getting it wet. So he just brought me right up the shore. Can't beat that. How do you like the island?
I love it. We're going to move here.
We're going to move here?
I would love to. It's so private and so beautiful. The water is super calm. We love it.
The nicest thing about being here so early is just the privacy of the entire beach. One, it's an island, so the only way to get here is to come by boat or jet ski or some type of maritime transportation. And it's just so private here, so really nice not having that extra crowd of people. The only downside is we do have clouds, can't control that. Water still feels really good, but it doesn't look near as nice as it possibly could, but can't control weather. You want to go walk over there? When are we going to buy the island?
Right now.
Yeah, we just need a few more subscribers. Wow, look at those. I don't know, are they pine cones or fruits? Wow, those are huge.
It's a fruit, and if you want to eat it, you need to take each one of the things, I don't know the name, and you just eat it.
We came over off the just main little beach area, 1 second walking onto some rocks, and have an incredible view on the other side of the beach. And once again, just nobody here, totally secluded and private, worth the private boat coming over here. What are you doing, pal?
A Caipiroscas.
Caipiroscas.
Yeah, we're huge fans here.
Along with the drinks, we are also doing a cookout. So enjoying the island, enjoying the beach, enjoying drinks, and the captain Guillermo here is also going to be cooking for us just some beef that we bought at the store. He's got to put the charcoal in there, start the fire, and we just simply enjoy our time while he cooks and does all the work. So I absolutely love this. Guillermo here is a 10 out of 10 captain. Voo de Lancha is the name of the company. It was like $250 for the entire trip, 4-hour trip, and totally worth it. What? Look at this drunk. Just walking around with 2 bottles of alcohol now, right?
Just 2, vodka y cachaça.
Esse ver se era poquito más.
Saludos, señor. So refreshing, so good. I always get it mixed up, the Caprioshka, Caipirinha, but this drink, they're really potent. Because whether you make it with cachaça, which is a native alcohol here to Brazil, or you make it with vodka, that's all you put in there is just the lime, the sugar, and then that liquor. It is potent, but it is absolutely delicious, and it gets me to where I need to go and fast. You got yours with vodka, right?
Caipirosca.
Caprioshka, how is it?
Muito bom. Super good.
Yeah. Delicious.
Hay más 2.
We just made it back to shore, and of course, the hat that Pally was wearing. Well.
Goodbye, my lover.
There it is.
Goodbye, my friend.
Jorge's gonna be the hero. Oh no, our boat driver's gonna be the hero. There he goes. Oh, his hat. Now his hat.
Ay, gracias, perdón. Oh no, Titanic!
We're walking to the car and there's literally a boat sinking in the harbor. No way, I've never seen that before. Well, that was absolutely wild to see a boat sinking in a harbor like that. Never seen that in my life. Wouldn't mind seeing it again, but terrible luck for those people. That's for sure. Unfortunately, a lot of my files got corrupted, so I'm having to end the video this way. But I think that has to do with me liking the fact that that boat was sinking in the harbor, and then I had bad luck instilled upon me. No idea, but if you like this video, then consider hitting that subscribe button and following along with us on the next adventure. It was great having you here with us today, and hope to see you next time.